Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to ventilate a 4x4 closure from scratch to finish. So this is more or less a beginner friendly video that will be showing you details on how to get your 4x4 closure done. So if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell so each time we have a video such as this one, you'll be the first to be notified. Let's get right in. Okay, so the first thing we'll be doing now is to get your measuring tape. You place the measuring tape 4 at the length, 4 at the width. Then the next thing is to draw your base. And the base, I always want to put the base at 1 inch. You can also check my video on how to ventilate the base. I have a video. I'm going to leave the link below for you so you can actually check it. So that's the base. So after drawing the base, the next thing you want to do is to draw your pattern. You could decide to leave an inch. So it's a 3 pattern closure. So 3 pattern closure means you're going to have 3 pattern, 1, 2, and 3. I also have a video on how to do the pattern, so in case you don't know, you can go back to my channel and watch the video on how to do a center pattern. So for this, we're going to be having 3 center pattern. The next thing I'm doing right now, it's placing the lace on the mannequin head. So if you're a beginner, you want to ensure you have the lace properly placed, and you want the area that you want to ventilate on to be flat, so you can see how flat that area is. And I'm going to begin ventilating from the base. It's the base I'm going to begin with. I'm going to start ventilating the base. So after that, it's to get your hair, cut the hair like I just did, cut the weft out of the hair, comb out the short strands of hair that you might not be needing, then take a little portion out of it, then you're ready to start ventilating. I also have a video that will guide you on how to do this process. So you grab your ventilating pin and begin ventilating. Like I said, we're starting from the base, and I ensure the base is properly laid because that's the area I'm starting with. I ensure it's properly laid. I'm taking just 1 to 2 strands of hair to ventilate the base. 1 to 2 strands of hair only. And if you don't know how to ventilate, this is a way you can learn. You pass the pin through a hole, then you turn the pin, pick hair, you pick your hair. After picking your hair, what you do is to wrap the needle around the hair once and twice. The ventilating pattern I'm using here, or the knotting technique I'm using here, is a double knotting technique where you have to knot your hair twice. You tie the knot twice. So when you pick a hole, you pass the hair once, you pass twice. Like I said, this video, it's not a video to show you how to ventilate, how to tie the knot. This video, it's not a video to show you how to knot. So that's the base. The base is ready. So after finishing the base, what I'm doing right now is to ensure I remark that line or the pattern line which I actually kept. And the pattern, like I said, I have a video on how to do the pattern. So this is a 4x4 closure, so I'm having 3 center pattern. So it's just to place my measuring tape, partition into 4 parts, then I'll have 3 center pattern in between. So I'll begin with the first pattern. You can start from any side, any area you choose to start with, but me, I've decided to start from this side. So I'm just going to ventilate through till I get to the end of this pattern. I'm not going to be doing all of them together, so I'll just ventilate this first pattern till I get to the top. Make sure you stay through till the end of this video, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button. All I'm doing is just to skip 1 or 2 lines. I'm skipping 1 line, 1 hole, 1 line, 1 hole, 1 line, 1 hole. That's what I'm doing, picking 2 strands of hair. So we're done with the first pattern. This is how far we've gone with the job. We're almost done with the first pattern. We just have a few fill ups to make, just that area. So I've actually begin the second pattern. I'm going to ventilate the second pattern. Remember, if you don't know how to do the center pattern, you can refer to my channel for a video I made specially just for center pattern. I explained everything there vividly. I'm just going to ventilate through to the top like I did with the first pattern. So remember, you'll be splitting this 4x4 closure into 4 parts, 1 inch, 1 inch. So it's going to be 1 inch for each of the parts, and that 1 inch you're going to have 3 center patterns in between. Now this is the third part. For time's sake, I'm trying to see how this video should not be too long. I want to ensure we finish this as soon as possible so that the video will not take as long as possible. As you can see, we are on the last part of the closure, which is the last pattern. We're still picking 1 to 2 strands of hair, 1 to 2 strands of hair. We're skipping 1 hole, skip a line, skip a hole, skip a line, skip a hole, skip a line, and you're going to have it come out this way. skip a hole, skip a line, pick 1 to 2 strands of hair. Almost coming to the end of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please kindly ensure you do so, and also give us a like if you found this video interesting. So if you don't know how to ventilate, you can actually put this on slow motion. Watch how I'm passing my hand, watch the process. It's easy, you get it. So there you go, closure is ready. That's our first parting. That's our second parting. You can see how thick and full it is. And that's our third parting. So you have this separated into 4 parts with 3 parting. This is how beautiful it looks. You can see how good the closure came. This is awesome. I guess you want to have a closure just as this one, so you can do same. Thanks for watching.